Imagine building a powerful gaming PC or upgrading your computer, but you're stuck because you don't understand the motherboard. Don't worry, because in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about motherboards, their components, and how they impact your PC's performance. Stay with me till the end, and you'll be a motherboard pro. A motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that connects all essential components, including the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and peripherals. Think of it as the central hub that allows all hardware to communicate. Understanding its layout is crucial for both building and upgrading a PC. Let's break down the key components of a motherboard. 1. CPU socket. This is where the processor is installed. Different motherboards support different CPU sockets, so compatibility is crucial. 2. RAM slots. These slots hold your computer's memory modules. More slots and higher speeds mean better multitasking. 3. PCIe slots. These are used for expansion cards like graphics cards, sound cards, and Wi-Fi adapters. 4. Storage connectors, SATA ports for HDDs and SSDs, and M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSDs. 5. Power connectors, essential for providing power to the CPU and motherboard. 6. I/O ports. These include USB ports, HDMI, audio jacks, and Ethernet ports for connecting peripherals. Motherboards come in different sizes, known as form factors. The most common ones are ATX, full-sized with multiple expansion slots. Micro ATX, a smaller version with fewer slots. Mini IDX, compact and ideal for small builds. When selecting a motherboard, consider these factors. 1. CPU compatibility. Ensure the motherboard supports your processor. 2. RAM support. Check the number of slots and maximum RAM capacity. 3. Expansion slots. More slots mean more upgrade options. 4. Connectivity. Look for USB ports, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth if needed. 5. Future upgradability. A good motherboard should allow for future upgrades. Now that you understand the basics of motherboards, you're ready to make an informed decision for your next PC build or upgrade. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and leave a comment with any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.